Rebel canning, teaching all kinds of food preparations, including the old ways.
Sanitize your jelly jars before you start the recipe.
So, red bud tree, you can recognize it because the leaves come out after the flowers are gone. The red bud is a beautiful tree and the flowers are edible. You can make jelly from it. So it is a wonderful thing you can forage even in an urban setting like we are right now. Of course, always ask permission if you're on somebody else's property. But red bud is awesome. And we're gonna go ahead and pick some on a place where we have permission. And then we're going to show you how to make red bud jelly. Come back in a few minutes, Rebel Canners.
Pick 5 cups of red bud blossoms. This is very easy. You can just pull them off the branches. Make a tea by covering the red bud blossoms with boiling water. Let it set overnight in the refrigerator and then strain. It makes a beautiful purple colored tea. Measure out 4 cups of your red bud flower tea and bring up to a boil before adding any more ingredients. Add 5 tablespoons of lemon juice. Add 6 tablespoons of powdered pectin. Whisk to dissolve the pectin and bring it back to a full rolling boil for 1 minute. Add 6 cups of sugar. I like to stir while I'm adding the sugar. And return the jelly to a full rolling boil and boil for 5 minutes. The bright jewel red color of this jelly just does not even, the picture does not do it justice. It is just the most beautiful. For presentation, it's a 10, and for taste, it rates a 10 as well. So this is my new favorite jelly.